Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to remove voice from ElevenLabs. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and head over to the ElevenLabs app. Sign in using your preferred account credentials. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Voices tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the voices you've added to your library. If you've cloned a voice and want to delete it, click on the My Voices tab to view only your custom or cloned voices. Now, find the voice you want to remove. Next to that voice, click the three-dot icon, also known as the Options menu. This will open a list of actions you can take. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see the Delete option. Click on Delete, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the voice. If you're sure, go ahead and click Remove Voice. You can repeat the same steps to delete any other voices you no longer need. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.